Ready? Here we go, guys. Here we go.
Now it's time to come out here and have a little fun.
It's time for it! It's time for it! It's time for it! We all we got! We all we need! We all we got! We all we need! We all we got! We all we need! 1, 2, 3! We all we got! 4, 5, 6! We all we need!
The ball going on the edge, and the corner turn and a first down. Down the left sideline to Des Bryant, inside the 5, and down to the 4, there's a marker.
Let's do a flag. Do a flag.
You guys kidding me?
What happened?
This guy's called timeout. What about the clock?
You got a first down?
No. Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
All right, we got this rain element, so we got to be even more focused on what we're doing. If you're on the wrong page together, you're on the right page. But nobody's talking, we won't be on the wrong page.
The key is you got a home, right? And a slipper. You know that it's coming back.
No, I knew it was coming
Exactly.
back. I didn't know that happened.
I didn't either. That's a new play. That's why we adjusted.
We need to get our quota. 5 sacks. Let's go.
Hit from behind, sack. He's hit. He's sacked.
You got action, boss man. Hey, party just began, baby. Hey, party just started.
He goes down. And he's going to be dropped.
Show me all night. Hey, that's how we start our flag, man. That's how we start our flag. They haven't played give-up ball yet, but they're getting close.
And he fumbled the ball. He loses the football.
Oh, my God. The pass was broken up and popped into the air, right into the arms of the rookie. Touchdown! The takeaways are coming in bunches now.
Let it go, man. You're playing fine.
Hey, let's talk and communicate. I gotta focus a little more. That's all right. We're good. Everybody take a deep breath. That's a great throw. That's a great drive. That's a great start. I can't stop. I'm telling you, we only stop ourselves. Good work right there. Big time right there, boys. Big time right there. Big time. Good job, fellas. Good. Way to win at the line. I need a pair of gloves. We'll lose tomorrow. Worried about yesterday. There's plenty of opportunities tonight. Be cool. Hey, damn that damn coach. Be cool. That's right, baby. You straight? We gotta go back out there? Yeah, we gotta go back out there to suck some air down. That's just one. I need another one. We need some energy, man. We almost to the woodshed. We gotta keep going, though. Let's go still. Come on. It's gonna come down to tackling and fundamentals, right? It's perfect. They want to go big boy ball. We needed this game.
Third and 9 at their own 2. He fires down the field, and it's caught on a dead run. That is Juju Smith-Schuster. Foot race. 35-30, 25-20, 15-10. Pittsburgh Steelers touchdown.
97 yards.
I ain't know that fast.
Keep attacking the ball.
Stop us, man.
A beautiful throw, a better catch. Jeremy Maclin in for 6.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching an incredibly special player do his thing. Watson in trouble, gets away from a sack. Watson throws to the end zone, caught! He does it again! Houdini gets the ball loose to Lamar Miller for the touchdown!
Let's go! I already started yelling. I knew it was touchdown.
That's incredible, man. I don't know how you do that. I really don't.
Here, keep going up. Here, boom.
I would have pulled every muscle in both my groins if I tried to do that.
Let's go. Come on. Let's be ready to answer. Hey, ain't no shortcut to being great. If you great, you'll get your offense this damn ball back.
Russell Wilson with 22 fourth quarter comebacks. He takes the snap. He's going to throw. Jimmy Graham. Touchdown, Seahawks. And the Seahawks are going to win. What a game.
Yeah. Whatever you need, I got you. I got you. We're going to Super Bowl. I'll see you, boy. Yeah.
Got the win.
We don't care where we go. You feel me, gang? We don't care where we go. We get it done.
Overcame a lot of adversity, didn't blink, didn't look right, didn't look left, didn't look behind us, focus on the task, and got the thing done. Hell of a job. Bring it on in here. Bring it on in here.